Hey guys, Rhett here. What's going on? At my client Natasha's 6th, 7th Section 8 rental property, guys. I'm so proud of Natasha. She's doing amazing. This house right here, we turned into a 5-bedroom, 2-bathroom house. It's absolutely phenomenal. It's gigantic. Estimated rent here gonna be somewhere between $1,400 and $1,500 a month. It really is special. I want to bring you through here and show it to you. We had so much size here, we were able to create common areas and still build extra bedrooms to make it super livable, but also generate the highest possible profit margin that we could. So come on in and we'll talk a little bit about it. So guys, estimated rent here is going to be somewhere between $1,400 and $1,500. We're about 90% of the way done here. Need to do some trim work, some touch-up paint work, and then some light drywall work. So that's all that's left here. But essentially, when you come in here, this used to be a sunroom, the room you're standing in. We turned it into a bedroom. So this didn't exist. Now it is bedroom number 1 immediately when you walk in. This house has some character. It's got some really nice old wood that we didn't really want to eliminate because it gives the house flavor. It doesn't seem like it's just totally like, you know, new build and boring and not a lot of color. Sometimes when these houses have a little bit of character, we like to leave that. This is a perfect example of that. So as we walk through, please write down questions, comments, drop them below, and we'll talk about them. But overall, really happy with this one, guys. And Natasha has been able to build a really good portfolio in a very short amount of time. If you guys want to do that, you can. You don't have to feel overwhelmed about not having a construction team, a management team, realtors, lenders, insurance companies, attorneys, title companies. We have all that for you. So if you want to do it, send me an email in the description below and we'll get this thing started, okay? So as we walk through here, guys, you just left bedroom number 1. We have a big living room. So really cool, old stone fireplace, real stone, really cool character that this adds. We didn't want to get rid of it. Of course, we have made the actual fireplace obsolete, so it will not work. And it's blocked off behind that piece right there. But really nice, good sized living room. And then immediately off of this living room, we have bedroom number 2. So bedroom number 2 off of the living room here, okay? Coming through the living room, that's all you have. So you have a bedroom that is secluded, which is nice. And then, so you've got bedroom number 1, bedroom number 2, and then you come into this hallway, you've got bedroom number 3. Now, bedroom number 3, a lot of natural light, okay? A lot of natural light, really nice, front of the house, and this will be a really nice bedroom for somebody that people in the family will most likely be fighting over because of how it came out. And then as we walk down the hallway, bedroom number 4. So bedroom number 4, traditional style bedroom, and in closer proximity to the bathroom and the kitchen, but you know, nothing crazy. And then as we walk forward, we have bathroom at the end of the hallway, okay? So everything in here, new vanity, new toilet, refinished the tub, resurfaced all the tile tub surround, really nice bathroom right here. And then next to it, you have your master, or your primary. So this is the primary bathroom. You have a stand-up shower in here. You've got brand new toilet, brand new vanity in here as well, and a nice pocket door. So really cool, and everything very spaced out. Again, this is the way that this house flows is nice. It makes sense. Come into the kitchen, new countertops. Still need to do some touch-up paint work in here. And then off of the kitchen, we have our laundry room. Glass is on its way for that. So laundry room and water heater room. And then off the back of the house, my favorite part of this house, the sunroom. So very rarely do we have space to make extra common space, especially with a 5-bedroom. This is the exception. Beautiful sunroom. We didn't want to try and force another bedroom out of this house. When you've got 5 bedrooms, you've got a lot of people living in the house. You need a couple bathrooms, you need a couple spaces for people to unwind and relax. Yes, you have a living room, but now you also have a sunroom. You've got a secondary living room, and we also have heat and air that comes to this room as well. So it's not like it's part of the house. It's gonna be freezing in the winter and super hot in the summer. It's not gonna be like that. So really, really excited because this house is gonna fly off the market. It came out great. There's a super high demand for 5-bedroom with multiple bathroom, and the square footage here is really, really large. When this house goes for a refinance, I can see this house refinancing for a lot. So it's a very simple thing to do, guys, if you have the right people and you have the right teams to help you do it. And that's the hardest part, is choosing the right market, doing it with the right people, buying in the right places, getting the right tenants, and making sure that the units cash flow and are onboarded correctly and can cash flow for a long period of time. So if you want to do that, guys, send me an email. My information is in the description below. Please leave questions and comments, and we'll see you next time.